Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Riza Nindiana Bila Putri. On this occasion, I'm going to talk about three influential political figures in the world, both past and present. They are E.R. Soekarno from Indonesia, Shinzo Abe from Japan, and Angela Dorothea Merkel from Germany. First is E.R. Soekarno, or better known as Bung Karno, or as Mr. Proclamator, was the one president of the Republic of Indonesia. He had a life background, achievement as well several very interesting truth of ideas so that many people cite that E.R. Soekarno was a using hero who fought from independent Indonesia. E.R. Soekarno was born in Surabaya on 6 June 1901, born to a father named Raden Sukemi Sosrodihardjo and a mother named Ida Ayu Nyoman. He is the third children from four siblings. Soekarno was born into a noble family. His father worked as an elementary school teacher in Bali and was a commandant of the Sultan of Kediri, while his mother was a Balinese woman from the Brahma Kasta and a nobleman from the Singaranja kingdom. Soekarno spent his childhood with his grandfather Raden Harjo Kromo in Tulungagung and first went to school there before he finally moved to Mojokerto with his parents. While in Mojokerto, the attention early in the school but was later transferred to ELC to make it a step from his to be accepted at Burger School in Surabaya. After graduation from ELC and continued to HBS, he met many people who were members of the Islamic Union. At that time, it by HOC Cokro Aminoto that he continued his education at Teknik Hogeing School in Bandung, who known as ITB, majoring in civil engineering, and Soekarno was the likeliest to have passed the exam. Fortunately, in 1926, while studying at Habisi, Soekarno began to develop in interesting and nationalism rising in the South. Then he began to be active in activities of the young organization Trikolo Darmo, which was formed as an organization from Budi Utomo and then changed its name to Jong Java or Pemuda Jawa. Talking about his life and career in politics, Soekarno became this founder of the Algemeen Studio Club as a pro-independency party through the founding of the Indonesia National Party atau PNI and become this leader. He became one of the important and influenced people in this pre-independency period by continuing to fight from independence from the Indonesia national event. To talk, he was impressive and excited. This then not hidden his national spirit until finally Indonesia Independence Day occurred on August 17, 1945. And finally, his political career continued to soar to its peak, become Indonesia's first president. Regarding Soekarno idea of your patriotics, the independence of the Indonesia national with a spirit of evaluation with result in the first successful then they never forget who had was able to successful the spirit of revolution in the of Indonesia society. Under his leadership, he succeeded in forming the non-aligned movement NEM and the ASEAN Africa Conference, uniting the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia and the received many other awards. Soekarno demonstrated several qualities that contribution to this success as a political namely from leadership, but also priority his people, being able to communicate characteristic having political acumen and the ability to adapt, and did and died to Sunday 21 June 1970 due to the heart problem and will political prisoner. Second is Shinzo Abe. He is a Japanese political who served as Prime Minister of Japan from 4 terms, making him the Prime Minister with the longest tenure in Japanese history. He was born on 21 September 1954 in Tokyo. He is coming from a family of prominent politicals and in a family that has a long history in Japanese political. His father, Shintaro Abe, was a prominent figure in Japanese political who once served as an influence minister of foreign affairs. His grandfather, Nobusuke Kister, served as Prime Minister of Japan from 1947 to 1960, and his granduncle, Eisaku Soto, held the same position from 1964 to 1972. When he was born into a well-off family, he managed the most of the facilitation funded by his parents. One of vice education, Abe completed his undergraduate study of the Department of Political Science, Seikei University. After graduating, he moved to the United States to continue his study in the University of Southern California, Los Angeles. He made the most of the opportunity available, and his education experience gave him a deep insight into international politics. After completing his study, he returned to Japan and joined Kobe Steel Ltd. Abe's political career began as an assistant secretary to his father, when his father also led a faction within the Liberal Democratic Party, holding various positions in the cabinet and party. Shinzo Abe then also became activist in the LDP and eventually became its leader. Abe later became the country's first prime minister born after Yunishiro assigned country except after South Korea parliament, and then hit a career of government forms. In September 2020, Abe was officially elected as Prime Minister by the year. Abe served as Prime Minister from 3 consecutive terms, also in the following period, namely 2014 to 2017, and the 2017 to 2021 period. One of the main political ideas was to strengthen Japanese role in the world through situation front, including a review of articles prohibiting Japan from having army staying oversight for sex. During his leadership, Abe focused on Abenomics, political ways, on economic ground, and overcome demographic problem in Japan. Since Abe's political position is the leader of Japan Liberal Democratic Party and is one of the moral influence political in this country and the world. He has an important role in formation political and direction Japan political orientation in terms of economic, security and international relations. Shinzo Abe could become a great and influence political because he showed extraordinary resilience targeting. His political career, including for economy, flourished at the beginning of his term, innovative economic vocation, because Aben Abenomics versus economic political to create significant change in Japanese economic approach by trying to overcome the challenge of deflation and his economic growth. Abe also had a significant role in international development, strengthening Japan's the with global parliaments and playing and important roles in regional security affairs. Shinzo Abe died on June 2022 at Nara Medical University Hospital, Kashmir, Nara Prefecture, Japan, after being shot to while devel- delivering a speech near Yamata Saidaiji Station. Next is Angela Dorothea Merkel, or better known as Merkel, who was a political and counselor from Germany from 2005 to 2021. She was also the first woman to hold that position, the second chancellor in German history, and as chair of the Christian Democratic Union from the period 2000 to 2018. Merkel was born 7 July 1945 in Hamburg, West Germany. He was born and grew up in a simple family. His father, Horace Kenner, was a Luther pastor, and his mother, Herlin Cancer, was an English and Latin teacher. Merkel's children born in East Germany greatly influenced his political thinking and perspective because at the time it was the Cold War era. Even though Marcel's humble family background did not make him give up, he continued to be enthusiastic, especially in terms of education, until he finally got his doctor in chemistry. The effort and hard work he put in finally put off by action and degree. Experience and knowledge which would later be useful for him and his career. Markel first entered the world of political after receiving this title, more eventually after the 1989 revolution where he served as deputy spokesperson for the democracy elected as German cabinet or for the first time in 1919. After the Nationalisation of Germany in 1919, he was elected as a member the Bundestag representation starter and advocacy movement. Stanslund have Arvo Pommer Rugen in the state of Mecklenburg Vorpommern. She was the appointed Minister of Women and Youth, Minister of the Environment in 2018, Secretary General of the CDO, and was appointed the first female chair of the CDO party. After the 2005 federal election, Merkel was elected as the first female German chancellor and leader of the Links socialization that included the CDU. His Bavarian System Party, the Bavarian Social Union, the Social Democratic Party of Germany, and in Merkel was elected president of the European Council and chaired the G8 forum, and he played a leading role in the negotiation on the Lisbon Treaty and the Berlin Declaration, one of the main policies in strengthening transatlantic economic relation to the beginning of the Transatlantic Economic Council Agreement. Merkel also played a role in handling the financial crisis at Europa and international level. In this case, the philosophers the nickname the discussion makers and democracy maker managing healthy service format and various issues related to future energy development. He played a key role in steering Germany and the European Union through the Euro-Zero crisis and advocating for financial stability. Merkel also took a leadership roles during Europa migrant crisis, balancing humanitarian concerns with the need for coordination receptions. Economic political contribution to Germany economic strength, making in the largest economy in the European Union. Merkel government politicization, renewable energy and environmental sustainability, thereby encouraging the country transition toward a more sustainable future. I also referred the word and humor normally to President Medical of Freedom in 2011.